Welcome to the maximum city of Mumbai. Mumbai Made Tumcha Swagat ahe.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are excited to welcome you to
Who's That 360 Awards 2025 in partnership with NDTV.
We are live celebrating with the creators who have turned this digital revolution and into a 360-degree powerhouse of talent.
Let's also take a moment to give a huge shout out to our partners as well.
Absolutely, a big thank you to
Driven by Kia, our fashion partner, Myntra, our wellness partner, Oriflame, and our trophy partner, thank you so much to Crystal Shine.
special thank you to our gifting partners, Soulflower, Imagica, Modern BV, social media partner, Varinder Chawla.
Our outreach partner, Shimmers Entertainment, our media partner, of course, NDTV.
And how can we forget our tech partner, Gadgets 360. Ladies and gentlemen, I know we're not going to waste any further time. Let me welcome on stage a gentleman who needs no introduction.
Please welcome the co-founder and CEO of RPVL Group, the CEO and founder of Who's That 360. I want to hear some applauses as we welcome Mr. Vaibhav Sehgal.
Big loud cheer, everybody.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the third edition of World's First Televised Influencer Awards, Who's Next 2025. From day one, we have endeavored to make this the most trusted, credible award show to honor the journey of content creators. To me, this profession always symbolizes freedom. Such a big country with so much unique talent, but very limited number of engineering seats, limited number of management seats, very few medical seats, lakhs and lakhs of applicants, lakhs of hopes, lakhs of days and nights of hard work, not always resulting in fulfillment. But in our profession, we have that openness, that freshness, that unlimitedness that gives back so much if you stay consistent, if you stay true to who you are. Ask anyone, would you prefer to go on a corporate trip or on a road trip to Ladakh to cover as a travel influencer? Would you like to be a part of a formal lunch where heart isn't there or cover a new local dhaba on the Punjab highway? You don't have any connections in the film industry, but your followers are more than the population of many countries. You don't have a great studio, but your humorous reels reach the hearts of millions who don't care about your background. All the while making money that can earn you financial freedom, which is the most important part. Let's start the night and honor the creators who made huge waves this year. Thanks a lot, guys. Let's begin the night.
Let's go straight to the awards. The first award for tonight is the Entertainer of the Year.
The winner is Raj Grover. Congratulations.
Can you have a loud cheer for Raj Grover, everybody?
The Comedy Creator of the Year.
The winner is Abhijit.
Hearty congratulations, Abhijit Kane.
Podcaster of the Year.
And the award goes to Prakhar Gupta.
Can you have a loud cheer, ladies and gentlemen, for one and only Prakhar Gupta in the house?
Travel Influencer of the Year goes to Larissa.
Can you have a loud cheer for Larissa, ladies and gentlemen, right here, looking gorgeous this evening?
The winner is Kritika Khurana.
Fashion, beauty or lifestyle, there's only one name to reckon with, that's Kritika. A big loud cheer for Kritika tonight, make some noise.
And the winner is Ashna Hegde.
Congratulations to Ashna Hegde.
And the winner is one of my favorites, Miss Keswani. Being so cool.
Sakshi Keswani in all the stunningness, ladies and gentlemen. Come on.
Interesting. The
Woo!
winner is Rohit.
Can you have a loud cheer, ladies and gentlemen?
Rohit Zinzurke, congratulations. Give it up, ladies and gentlemen, for our winner.
Cargirls India.
Is the winner indeed. Congratulations. Can we please kick it up a notch higher for Cargirls India?
Shivani Kapila come on stage.
So there it is, Shivani Kapila. Congratulations. Can we please have the winner absolutely slaying the red carpet? Come on, ladies and gentlemen.
It's the Sister Co.
Sister company, Srishti and Avantika, fashion, luxury, beauty and travel. Sunnis and we know it. That was it all. Let's rock it tonight.
Nagma and Avi.
We would want to hear it from Shanthan. Give it up once again, ladies and gentlemen, for Nagma Mirajpur and Ave's Darbar. Congratulations.
And the winner is, of course, my super favorite, Dolly Singh.
Woohoo! You know, ladies and gentlemen, it is so fascinating to know. I mean, I'm just wondering how does she do what she does?
And the newsmaker of the year is Abhishek Bajaj.
Can you have a loud cheer for AB in the house? Abhishek Bajaj, it is.
The award goes to Ankita Konwar.
Acing up the game quite literally, ladies and gentlemen. Indeed, the millennial fitness icon of the year.
Taking barriers award goes to Anaya Bangar.
Anaya Bangar, mighty kudos to you and congratulations on nailing this one. The youth icon, and could we please have the name of the winner straight up?
Youth icon of the year, everyone's favorite, Ashnoor Kaur.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the absolutely scintillating Ashnoor Kaur.
The creative influencer of the year. Congratulations to Rihan Roy. Maybe have Rihan.
Big loud cheer for Rehan in the house.
And the image transformation expert, Shivani Sharma.
Shivani Sharma, it is. Can you have a loud cheer for Shivani in the house? Many congratulations to you, Shivani.
The winner is Viraj.
Get up for Virat Seth in the house.
And winner is Bhumika Bhel.
Siddesh Lokar. Siddesh Lokar, congratulations. You know, what a young and dynamic one and inspiring so many of us.
This is the Education Creator of the Year.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and a big one at that. Prashant Kirad, a renowned science educator, best-selling author, and the co-founder of the EdTech brand Next Toppers with not one, not two, not three, but 20 plus million submissions, ladies and gentlemen. Those subscribers that follow him across his YouTube channels where he provides those free, high-quality educational content to the students. I think this is nothing less than phenomenal and exceptional. Please give a big round of applause to Prashant Kirad.
Storyteller of the year, Nayab Midha.
Get up for Nayab Midha in the house. Congratulations, Nayab. Let's keep the energy up like we promised till the grand finale, ladies and gentlemen.
Renu Devnath.
Come on, it is a big one, ladies and gentlemen. Renu Devnath, hearty congratulations.
And the award goes to Prableen Kaur.
Prableen, in total respect and awe of the phenomenal, commendable work that you do, the body positivity creator, Prableen Kaur.
And the winner is Vishal Pandey.
Congratulations, Vishal, as the name says. Can we have some stupendous round of applauses for the one and only Vishal Pandey, ladies and gentlemen? Please put hands together.
Audience favorite of the year. Award goes to Manisha Rani.
Manisha Rani, congratulations. Keep ruling the hearts of the audience is what I would always say. Manisha, this is your time to claim the pedestal. We are so proud of you.
And I think she's also the favorite, Neha Nagar.
Congratulations to you, Neha. As we present this one to you, we are so proud of you ruling the space there the finance influencer indeed.
He is the OG I loved in Big Boss, Shiv Thakre.
क्या बात है everybody? You know, कहते हैं that the bigger the persona of the person, the shorter should be the introduction. Somebody who needs no introduction now, Shiv Thakre.
The award goes to Saurav Joshi.
Many congratulations.
And the winner is Mayur Jumani.
Hearty congratulations to Mayur Jamani. What a moment indeed. I'm sure magnificence is the vibe for receiving the title there.
And the winner is, hello, mera naam Priya hai and Sid, of course.
Woohoo! Congratulations to Priya and Sid. Give it up, high up in the air, ladies and gentlemen.
And the winner is Ishani Mitra.
That's right, Adventures of I Am Ishani Mitra in the house. Can you have a loud cheer for Ishani, everybody?
Come on, are we ready to sizzle, everybody?
And the Tech Influencer of the Year award goes to Ruhes.
Ruhez Amelia, congratulations.
And the award goes to Raj Verma.
Are we in the house? Snacks Gaming is here, ladies and gentlemen.
Raj, this is your moment. Congratulations.
Winner for the Food Creator of the Year is Natasha Gandhi.
That's right, MasterChef finalist, founder of House of Millets. Get up for Natasha Gandhi in the house.
Chef of the Year goes to Saloni Kukreja.
Congratulations, Saloni Kukreja.
Indian cinema has SRK, we have SK, ladies and gentlemen.
And the winner is Natasha Bhardwaj.
Get up for Natasha
Oh,
Bharadwaj. Come on,
ladies and gentlemen.
Natasha.
Woo. But Natasha, what a fantastic win indeed. Formidable and very proud.
And the winner is Dr. Cutis.
Congratulations, Dr. Cutris is a very, very hard-working soul, as much as I know. Our award winner, Dr. Cutris, is fantastic.
It's Saurav Jain.
Saurav Jain it is, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together for SJ in the house.
Spiritual Mentor of the Year award goes to Dr. Jay Madan.
Dr. Jay Madan, hearty congratulations. You know, we all look up to you and admire you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, now racing straight to our global disruptor and entrepreneur for 2025.
The Global Disruptor and Entrepreneur award goes to Parul Gulati.
Ladies and gentlemen, on our mark, as we welcome the very powerful, absolutely stunning and gorgeous.
And the award goes to Kashish Kapoor.
Congratulations to Kashish Kapoor, the digital sensation. Oh my God. Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
And the winner is Mr. Faizu.
Mr. Faizu, hearty congratulations.
The winner is Yogen Shah.
Congratulations to Yogen Shah. Vaibhav, can we please request you to do the honors of announcing as to who sets the stage of Who's That 360? Absolutely legendary, ladies and gentlemen.
These are the most coveted awards of the evening. And the first award of this evening, ladies and gentlemen, is the YouTube Celebrity Family of the Year.
YouTube Celebrity Family of the Year have been entertaining us all. Everyone loves them. Archana ma'am and family, please.
Come on, can you put
Big
your hands
loud
up in
cheer.
the air?
A big cheer for Archana ma'am, Parmeet sir, a big cheer for Aryavan, Ayushman, and the Fantastic Four shining in black tonight. Congratulations, guys.
Zordar Talia, ladies and gentlemen. There's so much that we need to celebrate and learn from this family that indeed leads by examples.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Vaibhav. Thank you so much. And it's indeed an honor and a pleasure. Lots of love to all of you. And may the Indian YouTubers go from strength to strength.
Wonderful.
Archana ma'am, we always love your candor. Thank you so much
thank
for
you so
always
much.
being so relatable to us.
Thank you.
And is this your very own Badmash company, if I may say, the fantastic
Yes,
phone?
yes, absolutely.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Outstanding Literary Contribution Award. Please welcome Anupam sir.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Put your hands together for one and only one, Anupam Kher in the house, celebrating the success of his impactful book, Different but No Less.
The Breakthrough Performer of the Year, Saundarya Sharma.
oh my God, had to be this one. Saundarya Sharma, hearty congratulations.
Let's race and pace to the next award. This is the Versatile Performer of the Year, female.
And the honor goes to Ada Sharma.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ada Ki Ada, the actor. I don't know why she writes Crow and the Goat on her IG. And I must say, what a moment indeed.
Can you have a loud cheer, everybody, for one and only one, Ada Sharma in the house.
Well, you're giving me an award for being most versatile. I have to live up to it, I guess.
Yay, that's more like it.
And my parents told me I could be whatever I want to be. So I chose crow and goat. And there's no policing on Instagram that stops me from being anything. Yeah, thankfully. And I think the audience accepts me in every avatar. So I get greedy and I choose being an animal also.
And now announce the fitness icon honors.
And the award goes to the very handsome Milind Soman.
Oh
Here we
my
go.
God! Handsome is an understatement. Ladies and gentlemen, Milind Soman, I must say, the winner, the fitness icon of the year. And oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, so much of respect and awe of this one. We are assured of a great honor to be given Power Pack Performer of the year. And this goes to
Sonam Bajwa.
woohoo!
Make some
Sonam.
noise for Sonam Bajwa in the house.
Nothing succeeds like success. Believe in yourself and you are truly unstoppable.
आज ये award मिल रहा है. What's the emotion right now?
It feels really amazing as an actor when your films are loved, when you're given different opportunities. It feels so special, and when it's acknowledged by people like you. So thank you so much. I'm extremely happy and honored, and this is very special. Thank you.
Well, it's time for the trendsetter of the year.
Urvashi Rautela.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would expect nothing less than some uber super hit round of applauses for the ever so amazing Urvashi Rautela.
Urvashi looking stunning as always. For your audience, for the fans that love and adore you, कुछ कहना चाहती हैं आज की शाम?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and good evening, my friends. I just want to say that this award has a very deeper meaning for me. Truly trendsetter of the year, because I truly feel that true trends doesn't come from conformity. It truly arises or emerges from courage, conviction, and lots of hard work and efforts.
Next award is the Rising Star in Business, and as Vaibhav continues to be with us on the stage,
The winner is Meera Rajput.
Vaibhav, I absolutely adore the way you introduced her. Ladies and gentlemen, can we please welcome the mighty Meera Rajput in the house. Congratulations, Meera, for absolutely nailing this one indeed.
Thank you so much for this award, and I feel so grateful to share it amongst so many creators and influencers, and I understand the journey. It is rewarding, it is tiring, it is very chaotic, and that's exactly where I started mine. So I'm so glad to be here, and I hope you all have a great night.
To present the Trailblazer of the Year award, the illustrious honors, may we please request Vaibhav to please step forward and help us.
The Trailblazer of the Year, Niti ma'am.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Trailblazer of the Year at the NDTV Who's Next 2025 Awards, felicitated for her iconic comeback to television with Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi.
You know, you've seen the world, you've seen everything possible. something that you would like to share with your experience.
So, to all the youngsters who are here today for this illustrious award, my best wishes. Hope to see you continue to shine 3 decades from now.
The Influencer Awards that is brought in partnership with NDTV with your stunning trophies. Quickly make it a moment that you will remember for a lifetime. Indeed, on that note, once again, a huge shout out to our partners, driven by Kia, our fashion partner, Myntra, our wellness partner, Oriflame, thank you so much, our trophy partner, Crystal Shine, our gifting partner, Soulflower, Imagica, Modern BB, our social media partner, Varinder Chawla, our outreach partner, Shimmers Entertainment, our media partner, NDTV, our tech partner, Catch It's 360. What a night and what a stunning one, a lofty, a sublime and a very inspiring one. On that note, it calls for a wrap. Enjoy yourself.
Hey, hey!